The village here in Tamil Nadu is getting ready to celebrate the festival of Mariamman, the goddess of rain and fertility. Today she is closely associated with the Hindu goddesses Parvati and Durga. Every rural village will have a shrine for Mariamman, and the whole village is under her protection. Mariamman's worship probably originated in pre-Vedic India. The cult of the mother goddess indicates a society which venerated matriarchy. This festival is held during late summer or early autumn and mainly focuses on bringing rains and curing disease. After the initial prayers, the villagers move in a procession to the open field. Here they prepare Karagams for today's ceremony. Karagams represent a ceremonial goddess. Karagam means water pot. It is the ancient name of the folk dance performed for the rain goddess. Dancers balance a pot of water on their heads in order to ask the goddess for rain. Neem leaves are the leaves used for Mariamman, and her devotees wear yellow. Karagam represents both the decorated water pot and the dance. The Karagam used for Mariamman is called Shakti Karagam. After a ritual, 3 men carry the Karagams back to the temple. Devotees pray to Mariamman for their families, as she is also the goddess of fertility. offering for the mother goddess is being prepared and a puja is done. This offering is distributed now to everyone.
It consists of ragi powder, onions, and kambe, millet.
Yeah, millet.
And when they mix it, they put onions, let it ferment a bit, and this is what they serve.
In the night, the whole village comes together and have a feast.
போட்டு கை தேங்காய் உடச்சி இப்போ அதுதான் சாதம் எல்லாத்துக்கும் பிரசாதம் நாளைக்கு தனியாக பிரசாதம் சக்கரை தள்ளு நாளைக்கு 5 மணி நேரத்துக்கு
The next day, the Karagams are carried to each home in the village for individual blessings. This tradition of Karagams is more than 2000 years old. The villagers believe the worship of Mariamman will bring rain, fertility and prosperity.